Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. I am going to show you guys my parting space today. I got this comment here on my last video featuring this hairstyle, which is my updated Boho Locs. I will link the video in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But I got this comment and it made me realize that when I used to watch other people do their hair, I will always want to know what their parting space looked like, because parting space determines density and other things and how the hair lays and so on and so forth. And that way you can like really replicate the look when you look at someone's parting space. So I'm going to show you guys what my parts look like and how many locks are in each section. So you guys, if you want to replicate this look as much as possible as far as density and things like that, then you can do it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so first things first, when I do my hair, I part my hair from ear to ear. Okay, so I part it from here all the way over to the other side, ear to ear. And I like to start my parts behind, like right behind my ear, and I take it over. And of course, I will section off the front. Okay, so once I section off the front of my hair, then I work on the back first. So in the back, I have 5 rows, okay? And I'm going to show you how many locks are on each row. Oh yeah, and I'm going to explain to you guys how I layer my locks. So in the other video, I mentioned that I like to put my locks in layers because I love the way it frames the face. So I'm going to show you where my longest locks are, my medium length locks are, and then the shortest length of the locks, which would be at the crown of my head. So here we go. So this is the first row where I have 3. Okay, my first row is here. I have 3 locks there. Here is my second row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locks in the second row. Now the first, okay, so the first row, I don't put long locks on there because my nape is sensitive and soft, so those locks are shorter. But the second row is where my first set of the longest length of locks start, and then the third row I also have another long length of the locks. So first row short, second row long. Here is my third row of locks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here is what the 5th row looks like. So when I get to the 5th row, I make sure I curve that part at the top. I curve it at the top, okay? So make sure you do that. And the 5th row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I missed anything, I'll edit it, okay? And I'll explain further. All right. So yeah, so 5 locks on the 5th row. Make sure you do that U part, okay? Because when you do the U part, that's where I stop in the back. And then I move to the front of my head. And from where that U part starts, that's when I take my comb. And I take my comb and I part it and I follow where the U ends. Okay? And then I'll section that out the way, and then that's when I do my sides. Now on my sides, I have 2 rows, Okay, and I have 2 locks in each row. I like to keep the locks on these rows in the front short because, you know, we want to preserve what edges we have left. Okay, so I like to keep those short and I like to keep them big, but luckily this hair is lightweight, so it is really good for you know, not causing too much tension on your hair. Of course, with any type of braided style there will be tension, okay, but here we go. So we got 4 on each side. All right, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then we move on to the middle. Now once I come to the middle section, I'll make my middle part just like so, and I'll put 2 rows on each side. The first row will be 1 2 3 4, and the second row will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Then I have 5 in the second row. And the same for this side, okay? Now, as far as the layers in the front, like always, I keep all my perimeters short. You know, as short as I can take it. So that's what that is looking like. All the perimeter pieces are shorter. Okay, so in the back of my hair is where all my longer lengths are at. Now, I chose to put shorter lengths on my side because, like I said, I'm preserving those sides as much as I can, okay? So shorter lengths for me there. But if you wanted to do longer lengths here, you can do that just to bring some of the length in the front, but I did not do that. So I'll just pull out the hair so you can see the length in comparison to my longest lengths in the back. So these are my first row, and this is where it lands. Hold on. This is where it lands and compare it to the length at the bottom. And then my second row, and then my third and fourth row are pretty much the same length, and they are coming to about here. So the crown, of course, the hair at the top is naturally going to be shorter because it sits at the top of your head, your crown, and then we're going here for that, and then those other lengths are falling in this area. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. All right, that is how I did my parts for this particular look. My hair is 3.5 weeks old, almost 4 weeks, so we're about, actually we're 3 days from 4 weeks, 3 days from a month. So this is what it's looking like. Even a month later, I still love my hair. I'm thinking about refreshing the locks because I don't want to take them out. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Get some up close action for you. I feel like now that the locks are older, they've just gotten more natural looking, and I really absolutely love that. So there we have it. I'll show you guys again some more kind of what they're looking like. Going on week 4, guys. So okay, you guys, but that is it. If you have any more questions about this style, please leave those questions in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comment section as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.